Okay, we have the factory headlight in here right now. We're gonna switch it out for an LED so it gets wider and brighter. I'm gonna start by taking this screw out. Okay, so you're gonna turn this to the left and pull it off. And then you have to take these 3 screws out as well. Okay, once you get that off, you can just pull this out and then undo it from the back. There are these tabs that you need to push in and pull this out. Okay, so you pull this rubber piece off eventually. Now you can see the light. Okay, now you just have to loosen this screw. You don't even really have to undo it all the way. Just enough where you can get this metal piece out, and then the bulb will come out. Okay, if you want to use the same light that we did, we ordered this off Amazon. Comes 2 to a pack. You can see the check mark here, top center, is the one that we used. And the barcode off the back. We already used one of the lights on another bike, so we'll put this one. Okay, just so you know, if you're going to use this bulb again, make sure you don't touch the bulb part with your skin. The oil on your hand can heat it up and it'll decrease the life of the bulb. This is the new LED, and it only goes in one way thanks to the tabs. So there you go. Okay, so you do everything in reverse order. I put the bulb in, put this spring back in, tighten these screws down. You're going to put the rubber back on, line it up this arrow with that arrow, plug it back in, put it back in the housing, tighten up the screws. Okay, just so you know, when I put this rubber piece on, I had to use a flathead screwdriver to push down this outer edge to make sure that these were straight up and down instead of pushed out to the side. So just make sure you work this rubber back below this lip. Okay, you put this back on with this tab to the right, slide it back over like you had, line it back up. And put the screw back in. We're all finished. I'm gonna test it out. Got low beam, high beam, all done.
So there's the low beam, there's the high beam, and man, that's a big difference. It is darker outside now, but either way, the garage door is closed, and that's just a lot brighter, whiter light. That'll be a lot nicer riding at night. And I'll tell you, for the price of the bulb and the short amount of time it takes to do the install, definitely worth it. So, hope you liked the video, and subscribe if you want. We'll be doing some more stuff on the bike, more stuff on RV trips, and talking more about PTSD and anxiety, depression, suicide, all that kind of stuff. So subscribe if you like, hit the like button, and see you next time.